I made this particular hairband using my crinoline and wire leaf hairband, and people requested for it, so I'm dropping the full video, and this is it. Okay, so these are the things we'll be needing for this tutorial. Welcome to Shine channel. If you are coming across this way for the first time, I want to say a very big thank you. Okay, so watch this video carefully. Everything I did is well detailed. Okay, so this is the copper wire I'm using for this tutorial, and the red stuff you are seeing there is called pipe, is crinoline pipe. Okay, so where you can get it, you can get it where they are selling mineral things. Okay, so what I did here is I pass the copper wire into the pipe, then I stretch it. Okay, stretch it. As you can see on the video, I'm stretching it so that it's very tiny and firm. Okay, stretch it. Then after that, you use your candle gum to hold the two edges, and the result is here. Okay, so repeat it. I cut out like 7 pieces of copper wire, any length of your choice. I did not measure it, just cut out any length of your choice. Then you repeat this process that I'm doing here. You repeat it in all of them. Okay, so I doubled that thing. As you can see, this is the first one and this is the second one I'm putting. Okay, I double it so that it will not be seen, so that the copper wire will not be visible. Okay, so also get your this thing, your 3 inches crinoline. Okay, you will still see it there. Okay, so if you have watched to this level, or if you have been following me and you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you are waiting for, because you see in this channel I have a lot of trending posts to make. Okay, try to click on the bell button to be notified each time I uploaded a new video. And if you want me to drop any video, you can drop it on the comment section. Okay, so I will drop. And for my old subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. I appreciate your time, your effort, your encouragement. May God bless you all. Okay, so let me leave you all to enjoy this video. So, and for the leaf, this is what I did. Okay, so I cut out like 20 pieces of crinoline, 3 inches. The measurement is 4 into 20 pieces. Okay, and this is how I achieved the leaf, the crinoline leaf. You use your candle gum to hold the 2 edges, as you can see on the video. Then use your satin bias to wrap one side of the edges. As you can see, you wrap one side, then you leave the other side, because the other side you are going to use it. You are going to tie it together with the pipe. Okay, so this is how I achieve all this leaf you are seeing there. Okay, so keep on washing. If you have watched to this level, I want to say a very big thank you. Keep on watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Okay, always like, drop a comment. By liking the video, it will make the YouTube algorithm to acknowledge this video and push it to more audience. Okay, so do well to like, drop a comment, and subscribe. All right, okay, also click on the bell button to be notified each time I uploaded a new video, to be the #1 person to pop into the video and see the trending video. Okay, so let me leave you all to enjoy the video. And again, before I go, this is how I fix all these designs. Okay, just be taking it to just everything I did is on this video. Calm down and enjoy the video. I have to fast forward it a little bit so that it will not be too long. Okay, Oya, enjoy, keep on enjoying the video. So guys, this is the final result. What do you think about it? Is it beautiful or not? Tell me what you think on the comment section. Okay, subscribe and like. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.